Now we're actually done coding all of the provider CRUD functions that this to-do app list will use. So congrats on your completed app. But I just want to take a second to talk about two tiny functions that every content provider includes, just so if you ever need to use them, you know where they'd be used. The last CRUD method that we have left is the update function. This would be useful if you decided to include a feature like editing pre-existing tasks or a checkbox to change the task state to done. The update function takes in a URI, content values, a selection, and selection args, and then it returns the number of items updated. These parameters may remind you of the insert method. The main difference here is that the update will alter some existing data by using what's in the updated content values, and it won't create a new row of data or a new URI location. And again, our app won't use this, and you don't need to implement provider methods that you won't actually use. But if you plan to make your content provider publicly accessible and share your data, you'll want to be really careful about leaving any method unfinished. And so, as an example, I'm providing you with the provider code to update a single task in the code link below. So this is the last of the CRUD methods, but what about that sneaky getType method we mentioned earlier? Let's learn a little bit about that method next.